Hey there! So let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand involves using the pandas.cumsum function in a unique way. Specifically, we want to ignore rows with duplicated values in the ID column and only consider the last value when calculating the cumulative sum. Quite an interesting problem, right? Now let's talk about the solution. The key to achieving the desired outcome lies in a clever piece of code snippet. By applying the pandas groupby function along with transform diff, we can effectively calculate the cumulative sum while excluding earlier duplicated ID values. The code provided elegantly handles this requirement, resulting in the accurate desired output for each row. It's a nifty trick that simplifies the process without the need for cumbersome iterations. Building upon the solution, the subsequent code snippet showcases the final result with precision. The data frame now displays the cumulative sum of values, ensuring that duplicate ID entries are appropriately ignored. The code flawlessly executes the desired calculations, offering a streamlined and efficient approach to the problem at hand. It's impressive how a few lines of code can make such a significant difference in the outcome, don't you think? In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem by leveraging the power of pandas functions to compute the cumulative sum while handling duplicated ID values seamlessly. The solution provided a clear and effective way to achieve the desired outcome without resorting to complex iterative processes. Hopefully, you found this exploration of pandas functionality insightful and valuable. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring new ways to optimize your data processing tasks. Until next time, happy coding, and may your data always be clean and insightful.